Hey guys, I'm Breanna, aka Mini Marley, and welcome to the Live Boldly Road Trip. This is Miami. I live boldly by embracing my roots and teaching other women of color how to rock their kinky, curly, and coily hair. I'm getting ready to take you to two of my favorite spots, Wynwood and sunny South Beach. Let's go! One of my favorite spots here in Wynwood is here, the Plant the Future Gallery. Just like it says, it's basically like La La Land. My bold looks are always inspired by the vibrant colors painted all over Miami, and the sunshine definitely complements my bronze dewy skin. Society has a way of trying to promote a standard of beauty that doesn't usually include girls that look like me, brown skin and kinky hair. I love being a part of the new definition of beauty and using my platform to show women and little girls that our melanated skin and textured hair are what make us bomb.